Using video in your real estate business can be a real challenge, especially when you're just trying to figure out how you get started. Hi, I'm Eric Lowry with the Lowry team in eXp Realty, and today I was just going to take you, I thought I'd shoot a quick little intro and show you what it looks like when one of the videos I found is fairly easy for me to do, and I think it can be for you, is to just do a real estate market update video. That's what we do every day anyway. We explain the market to people, so you're just basically shooting a video, we're doing the same thing. And so what do I do? The biggest challenge I found in starting to use video was, what the heck to shoot? What do I say? What's the topic? What's it about? And so one of the ways I found that was easiest to get started for me was just to do a monthly real estate market update video that I could use on my Facebook page, profile, whatever you want to say, both probably. I also could use and send out, I could email out to potential clients, leads I've generated, that type of thing. So I just thought I'd share a little bit about how I've taken to doing that and show you the one we just shot. So basically what I do is just, I don't create this massive script. I think that stops people a lot of times using video. Don't write out a long script of what you're going to say. You don't need it. I don't do it. If you can see the script that I have right here, it is an index card with a few bullet points written rather large, because I don't have my glasses on, written rather large to show me what I want, the things I want to hit in the video. And so, I just, I work off that. I find that it's way better for me than trying to memorize some long script. But basically what I do when I'm going to shoot that market update one is I just go in the MLS, pull up some stats for the areas that I really work in, that you would want to do. You specialize in some areas most of the time. Go find out. You can do it for a quarter. You can do it all the way year to date, whatever you want. There's no right or wrong. All you're really doing is connecting with people through video and sharing your market expertise, that you know what's going on in the market here. That's really the purpose of this thing. So I just go get some stats. I'm looking for sales, average sale price, and days on market kind of thing, maybe list to sale price ratio, whatever you want to talk about. Could be inventory of homes for sale. Maybe there's only 12 in your area or your neighborhood or whatever it is you work in. But I just get those. I got those on that index card right there. They're staring at me. A little headline of how I want to open the thing up. You'll see it when you watch the video, if you watch it. And then I just talk. I just talk like I would be talking to a potential listing lead, let's say, that I'm just a seller. I'm just explaining what's going on in the market, except for I'm explaining it to the camera, not the person. So that's really it. I just keep getting better by keep practicing. If I went all the way back and could show you the first videos I created, they were awful. I promise you. You would laugh at them. Maybe you're laughing at this one. But they were bad, and I just kept doing it, and I kept doing it. I kept getting better and better and better, and I'm still working on getting better. I don't think I'm great at it even yet. But that's my challenge to you. Just, you got to get video in your business plan, in your marketing. You have to do it if you're going to succeed and survive the real estate market in the next few years. Not everyone will. Anyone can. So hopefully this was helpful. We're going to show you what that market update video looked like. Just not because I think it's great, but maybe it give you an idea to get started. If there's anything I can do to help you, please reach out. Talk to you soon. Everyone loves a good year in review, right? Well, today I thought we'd do one on the year 2021 in real estate in our area. Hi, I'm Eric Lowry with the Lowry team at eXp Realty. And today I thought we would just do a year in review for 2021. We all love a good year in review, don't we? So today I wanted to take a look really at two things relative to 2021. Look at home prices. We know the deal really there. They're up. And what happened with home sales. So let's start with home prices first. For sure they were up in 2021 over the previous year, 2020. In most areas, most suburbs, most subdivisions, that kind of thing, we break it down on kind of a micro level, but we saw home prices up somewhere between 15 and 17% year over year, meaning they were 15 to 17% higher in 2021 than they were in 2020. And that's a huge increase for our area. in any given year, typically, we would see increases of 3 to 4% in home prices. So to see 15 to 17%, that's a big deal. That's a big increase. And it was largely driven by two things. It was driven by super high demand, buyers looking for homes. There's a big demand out there for people looking to make a move. And couple that with the second thing, which is low inventory. Very few homes for sale, and you have a recipe, I guess you would say, for a great increase in home prices. A lot of people wanting to make a purchase, wanting to make a move, and very little to choose from. So when we have that shortage in particular, it's really driven those home prices up. The second thing we wanted to talk about, sales, home sales, unit sales. And again, when I looked at them, by suburb and subdivision, it's, the little areas that we operate and work in around our greater area, I saw a range of home sales that were down about 2 to 2.5%, to a high of about just under 4%. And so, it's a little bit of a range, not dramatic. And you might think, wow, down 2.5%, that's not good. That's compared to 2020. And 2020 was a record year for home sales. So the fact that we were down in some areas just a touch still means it was a huge year for real estate. For there to be areas where it was up 3 to 4%, that means in those areas, it was crazy hot. Overall, when you look at home prices for 2021, we all know that was a big increase. If you're a homeowner, you love that. You love the equity you got. And unit sales, still a huge year for that. We definitely, when compared to 2020, which, was kind of an all-time record, we hung right in there. In most areas, it was even or up a little bit. So definitely a big year for real estate in 2021. So what lies ahead for 2022? I think a lot of the same. I don't think we're going to see a lot of increase in inventory. I do think we still see a lot of people looking to make a move. So a lot of home buyers out there are active. And the one thing that comes into play this year that we haven't seen before is interest rates moving up, maybe quite dramatically. But I think largely 2022 is going to be an amazing year for the real estate market as well. If we can help you in any way, we'd sure love to. If you're looking to buy a home this year, reach out and let's get that plan started. Let's do a strategy session. Talk about what you're looking for, the areas you're interested in, so that we can really begin searching out for you. Where are those options? Where are those homes? And letting you know when we see new listings hit the market, because my sense is we're going to need to know about them quick and need to let you know about them quick. If you're looking at selling your home this year, we'd definitely love to talk to you about that. So what we offer is we'll put together a market analysis for you, give you an idea what your home will sell for in today's market, so that you get a real clear, accurate depiction of what that would look like. Plus, we'll give you some tips on what it might take to get very top dollar for your home in terms of any extra little fixes or updates or anything you might need to do. This is the market to get top dollar, and we'd love to help you do that. So please reach out if we can help you in any way. If you're seeing this on a social media channel, reply or comment. If you saw this in an email, obviously reply to that email. If there's a form down below here, if you saw it on our website, perhaps fill out that form. We'll be in touch. We'd love to help you. I'll talk to you soon.